In a land of towering mountains and deep valleys, lived an eagle named Eloquence, known for his brave heart. He soared high, a sight spectators would always ballyhoo. His wings wide open, he'd catch the wind's gentle art. One day, Eloquence spotted something unusual. A cloud that didn't look like the rest. It hung low, seemed to taunt his swift flight. A challenge he couldn't ignore, he confess, with a fierce determination in his eyes. Eloquence dived, wings beating fast. He closed in on the cloud, but the harder he tried, the more it eluded him, as if it had a vast. Frustrated and exhausted, Eloquence took a pause. He looked up at the cloud, with a newfound wisdom. I chase after you, but you're always out of reach. Yet, you're a part of me, my friend, and my kinship. The cloud, hearing Eloquence's words, whispered back. I am not just a cloud, but a symbol of dreams. I can lift you high, to places you've only seen in books. But you must learn to soar with me, not chase after me in teams. Eloquence understood, he realized then, that he had been chasing a dream in vain. He spread his wings, let the wind carry him high. And finally, he found peace, in a new, unveiled terrain. In the end, Eloquence learned a great lesson that day. That sometimes, what we chase, is already a part of us. That dreams are not something to be pursued, but something to be embraced, like a soft, gentle hush. Moral: dreams are not something to be chased, but embraced, for they are a part of us, guiding us to soar higher than we ever thought possible.